Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a simple dry pedicure using a tool I got from Amazon. This is a very easy, mess-free, lazy girl kind of pedicure that you can do at home. My feet became really dry because I left them without proper care for a long time since I've been really busy lately. So I thought this would be a good time to film a simple before and after video and share my little at-home pedicure routine with you all. Firstly, I'm using this foot file tool and I got from Amazon. It was around $10 and you can easily find similar ones online. This is not sponsored. I just wanted to share something that worked well for me. But please be careful while using this tool because it can hurt your skin if you use too much pressure. This tool works almost like a small foot sander and helps remove dry skin very easily. I mainly use it on my heels, around the toes, and anywhere I see rough or dry skin. After filing, make sure to clean your feet properly in the bathtub or bathroom using any body soap or body wash you already have at home. This helps remove all the dust and dead skin before starting the nail prep. After cleaning, I move on to the cuticle care. I'm using a cuticle remover liquid to soften the cuticles first, and then I gently push and clean the cuticle area. I also trim away any extra dead skin using the nail nippers to make everything look neat and clean. For the nails, I firstly apply a base coat and cure it under the lamp, then apply gel polish and cure it again, and finish everything with top coat for the shiny final look. And once everything is done, I apply some cuticle oil and moisturize my feet really well to keep them soft and hydrated. And yeah, you can already see the difference after cleaning everything up. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art, pedicure, manicure and self-care content. I will see you in my next video. Bye.